Nandun kami sa puso na ibenta mo ang Pilipinas sa ibang bansa, na magpunta sila dito. And our local tourists, minsan yung mga kababayan natin, they are stranger with their own area. Hindi ba, ay, meron palang ganito sa lugar natin, may ganyan palang Pampanga.
Ma'am Ronnie, thanks so much for inviting us.
Thank you.
And congratulations on your
Pleasure.
new branch. So you started your first branch po sa Bulaon, and then this is your second branch.
Yes.
What made you decide po to add another branch?
Accessible.
Okay.
Yung para kami nalalapit sa tao. Even na nasa Bulaon kami, Mexico, Daug, Guagua, pupunta talaga sa resettlement sa
Yes.
Bulaon. Nagkaroon na rin ng opportunity and invitation si SM. Ginrab ko na rin.
Wow.
Oo.
SM is SM. People go here. It's a
Yes.
central hub. Speaking of Central Hub, nandito po tayo sa kanilang terminal station
Yeah.
sa SM City, Pampanga. Yan, naririnig nyo, may mga busina. You made it more accessible.
Yeah, affordable, accessible. Niche namin is inbound at local. As you see on our flyers, meron tayong Central Luzon packages. Alam mo, kailangan natin kasi ngayon talaga market our country. Will boost our tourism industry. Yun talaga yung number one namin. And then, being a travel agency, nandito na lahat. Ticket, visa, passporting, everything. Basta all about travel.
Ma'am, how can they securely do transactions po sa inyo?
Secure. Una, the legitimacy of the company, which is accredited travel agency kami ng Department of Tourism. Second, we have a receipt na BIR.
Legit.
Yeah, legit.
How about our Facebook page po? How can they know na yun po yung Facebook page po ninyo?
Actually, when they are transact with us, we are the one na magko-call agad sa kanila. Video call and makikipag-usap po talaga kami agad sa kanila. Malilesen yung kanilang agam-agam.
Nice one. Ma'am, invite niyo po sila to come and check out your second station.
Yes.
Please do.
Hello everyone. Thank you very much for everything na opportunity na nandito po tayo sa SM Pampanga right now. Visit niyo po kami dito sa Terminal Hub SM Pampanga po. Nandito lang po kami sa harap ng Sogo and Jollibee. Hiningi po namin ang inyong pagtangkilik po sa Explore
Yes.
Beyond Travel and Tours. Thank you so much po.